Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question is under mole-mass relationship on stoichiometry. Alright? Have you watched my video on stoichiometry? Go to Ojemike TV on YouTube. Go and search for the video of stoichiometry by Ojemike. How to calculate the various parameters on stoichiometry is already uploaded. Okay? Now this question is, what mass of ammonia is produced from 3 moles of what? Of nitrogen gas. All right, we are asked of what? We are asked of what? Mass. That is why mole mass. Mole is given. You are now asked to calculate mass. Now the formula, firstly, you need to balance your what? Equation. Remember, stoichiometry has to do with the quantitative relationship between the reactant and products in a balanced chemical equation. You must balance your chemical equation. All right. So anytime you hear stoichiometry, think about the balancing of chemical equation. All right. Now, in this question, what mass of ammonia is produced from what? From nitrogen gas. Look at ammonia is what? Hydrogen and nitrogen. So we say that since nitrogen from what? We say when hydrogen is a gas, react with nitrogen, that is also a gas, they will produce what? They will produce ammonia. Now let's balance our equation. Nitrogen here is what? Is 2. You need to put what? You need to put 2 here. If you put 2 here, it means that it has altered hydrogen. Hydrogen now is what? 3 times 2 is what? Is 6. Hydrogen here is 2. So 2 times 1 will give us this 6. 2 times 1, 3. This is our what? Balanced equation. Now we are now asked of 2 things. What mass of ammonia? Mass of ammonia. Are you following? Is produced from 3 moles of nitrogen. 3 moles of what? Of nitrogen. What mass? Now in mole mass relationship, remember this formula. Mole is what? N over what? Coefficient. Which is what? The mole is equal X over what? Coefficient multiplied by what? Molar mass. This is how to find what? Mole mass relationship. Now, in this case now, what is the mole you are given? The mole of what? Nitrogen is what? Is 3. Divided by, what is the coefficient? Nothing is here, is what? 1. Is equals to, you are asked to find what? The mass of ammonia. You say X because you are looking for what? Divided by, what is the coefficient of this ammonia? Coefficient is what? Look at coefficient here is what? 2. Multiply by, what is the molar mass of the ammonia you are asked to find? Molar mass of this ammonia. Nitrogen is what? Nitrogen is equals to 14. Hydrogen is equals to what? 1. But hydrogen has 3 atoms. Look at, look at what you are calculating here. Don't calculate the whole of this molecule. Look at this compound. You include 2 here, you are wrong. You are only finding the molar mass of what? Of this one. All right. So equals to what? 3. That is what? Times 3. So equals to what? 17. So here will be what? 17. Are you following? You are adding what? 14 plus 3 equals to 17. That is what it means. Okay. So now what we do is that marriage or S times 0 give what? S. We are looking for what? S is equals to 3. This one will come here. 3 times 2 times 17. S is equals to what? 68 grams. So the mass of ammonia will be produced from 3 moles of nitrogen. When you react with hydrogen, it will give what? 68 grams. So our answer is what? For more of this video, do well to like. Importantly, if you are watching and you are not liking, you are not commenting, you are not sharing, please do that and support me. Thank you and God bless you.